Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Tomodachi Collection. This unique life simulation game lets you create and manage a vibrant island community. You'll populate your island with Mii characters, each with their own distinct personality and voice. Your main goal is to observe their daily lives, help them with their problems, and watch as they form relationships, friendships, and even rivalries. It's a charming and often hilarious experience, offering endless surprises and fun interactions. Creating your Mii characters is the first exciting step. You can customize their appearance from their eyes to their hair and even give them a unique voice. More importantly, you assign them one of 16 distinct personality types, such as easygoing or energetic. These traits profoundly influence how your Miis interact with each other, what they say, and how they react to events. Experiment with different combinations to see the hilarious outcomes. Once your Miis are settled, their island life truly begins. You'll observe them forming friendships, developing rivalries, and even falling in love. Your role involves providing them with delicious food, stylish clothing, and cozy apartment interiors. You'll also help them resolve their problems, from mediating arguments to fulfilling their various requests. Special events, like concerts and dreams, add even more charm to their unpredictable daily routines. As your island population grows, you'll unlock exciting new shops and facilities, expanding the possibilities for your Miis. You can also connect with other players through features like Street Pass to exchange Miis and items, bringing even more diversity to your community. The game offers a vast array of items and treasures to collect, ensuring there's always something new to discover. Prepare for endless hours of unpredictable fun and laughter.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.